Do you have a favorite stitch? I have a few of them that I always like to kind of have a quick way to go back to. And on the Pfaff Creative Icon, I'm going to show you how you can set up a favorite stitch that will then be just a touch of the button away. So let me show you how this actually works. So I'm going to just go ahead and do Start New or Start Sewing here. Right now, when we turn the machine on, comes to a straight stitch. So let's say, and I'm going to just randomly pick a stitch, and you know what? I've been doing some satin stitching lately, so I'm going to pick stitch number 12, and I'm going to even do some adjustments to it so you can really see that it saves everything. Go to Stitch Edit and then adjust it. Let's go ahead. I'm going to make this a little narrower and just a little denser. You can see that really tightens up that stitch, especially when I'm using some of my thinner thread. So let's say this is my favorite stitch, and I'm always kind of bouncing back to it very often. This could be your straight stitch as well, so lots of different options. Okay, touch and hold right there on that stitch until the box comes up. On this box, one of the options is Save Default Stitch, and it will say that it has been saved. Touch OK. Okay, so I'm going to just pop over to a straight stitch. So I'm doing some straight stitching, and now I got to go back to my favorite stitch. So you come down here where the two boxes are kind of overlapped, and touch it a little harder. And then right here where the straight and zigzag and blue boxes, touch the plus, and it brings up that stitch we saved. Look at the settings. It brings up what we have set it at. So when you turn that machine off and on, it will remember that stitch. All you have to do to change that stitch is then go to your new favorite stitch. I'm going to just pick stitch number 13 for random choice, and touch and hold, save as default stitch. Current stitch has been saved, touch OK, and then again when I turn the machine off or I'm done straight stitching, come back down here, touch, and retrieve that stitch.